Second way that we can incorporate summer annuals into grazing systems is as part of a pasture renovation cycle. So if we wanted to convert a weak pasture to a improved cool season grasses, summer annuals are a great vehicle to do that with. And I think we do have a lot of missed opportunities by not using an improved forage species. There's a lot of time and money spent improving cool season grasses and a lot of good improved cool season grass genetics out there. And sometimes we don't take advantage of those new forage species. And the best example is the novel endophyte tall fescue by far. If we look at this is stalker calf data from several different sites in different states with different novel endophyte species, but just take, for example, a study that was done in Fayetteville, Arkansas. On toxic tall fescue, those calves grew at 0.9 pounds average daily gain. On novel endophyte tall fescue, those same calves grew at 1.4 pounds of average daily gain per acre. That's a huge increase just by changing a variety within that grazing system. It's pretty amazing. And a lot of producers are missing out on this kind of increased productivity because we're not using improved forage species. Summer annuals can be a great vehicle to incorporate novel endophyte tall fescue into grazing systems. So a renovation sequence will kind of look like this. We'd identify a weak pasture in need of renovation. We spray with a non-selective herbicide in summer or early fall. Plant a winter annual in there. We could use wheat or a cereal rye or some kind of a winter annual forage. And we could harvest that or graze it in the spring with animals. Come in with a summer annual as that winter annual is grazed out. And then we would graze or harvest through the summer months. And then come back in that fall and establish our perennial warm season grass improved forage mixture in those pastures. And then we just move to the next pasture on our farm the following year. So what we're doing is we're moving this renovation cycle around the farm, and we're taking weak pastures out, using an annual sequence in them, and then coming back into an improved forage species in those pastures.